Hello everyone, welcome to Codeover Day 10. Yes, this is October 10, 2023. And in this very short video, I just wanted to let you know how to start using DataWeave 2.5 in Visual Studio Code using the DataWeave extension for Visual Studio Code. Because I kind of demonstrated like this was out, but I did it just from the DataWeave playground in like Chrome. Because it was just online, but it was not released here yet. So I just kind of want to let you know how to do that. So really quickly, let's just search for DataWeave in the extensions. Now here, make sure that either you have it installed already or that you have the latest version and this is updated. Because if you scroll down here, I don't think you can see it because there's my face. Let me take my webcam off. Right here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the more info. And here we have the last release, which is 2023, October 6th. And the last updated, which is also 2023, October 6th. So just make sure that you have those dates here. So you know that you have the last version. And remember, before you install the DataWeave extension for VSCODE, you have to have Java and Maven, and you can find the versions there in the documentation. Anyway, once you have that, you can just create a new project. So let's go to my palette, and I already have it here, DataWeave, create new library project. I'm just gonna leave all of the defaults. And here we have it. We have the source, main, DW, my module, and test, DW, my mapping. And that's all. We don't have anything on resources. So that's our basic structure. Now, if you click here on pom.xml, you will be able to see here the DataWeave version. So if you just scroll down a little bit until you see here properties, you will see here DataWeave version. And this version right now is 2.5.0. If this does not come up automatically when you create a new project, then maybe you don't have the correct extension. You can also try to just change this manually in case you have a previous project that is already using some stuff. You have some code there and you just want to change the version to this. You can just change this manually. If you have the extension updated correctly, it should work. Now to test if you actually have it, you can go here to search test DW my mapping, and then here let's create some code. I don't know if you saw my previous video where I was demonstrating the new functions, but there was a new function called version. So if we write here version, and if I can spell version correctly, then we will get this tiny thing here, or we can also do command dot in Mac, and you will be able to get the import version from the DW runtime. So if you click on that, it will import the module, and then we can simply run this to see the output, which should be 2.5. And yes, there we have a 2.5. So this is working correctly, and we are running DataWeave version 2.5 from Visual Studio Code. All right, that's all for this video then. Thank you for coming to Codeover 2023 day 10, and I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Bye!